Yesenia Villaflor and I am from BSN Math 1. So for today's lesson, I'm going to discuss about subtracting integers. So subtracting integers, you need to add the opposite integer. So example number 1, 10 minus negative 3 is equal. So copy the 10. Add, then the opposite number of negative 3 is positive 3. So the answer is 10 plus 3 is equal to positive 30. So let's proceed to the example number 2. Copy the negative 6. Add, the opposite number of negative 10 is positive 10. So we have different sign, so we need to subtract it. So the answer is positive 4. So let's proceed to the example number 3. Copy the 2. Add, the opposite number of negative 2 is So let's proceed to the example number 3. Copy the 2, add, and then the opposite number of negative and positive lagi. So let's proceed to the example number 3. Copy the 2 plus the opposite number of positive 2 is negative 2. So the answer is, same side, so the answer is negative 4. So let's proceed to the example number 4. Copy the 15. Add, then the opposite number of negative 3 is positive 3. So we have a different sign, so we need to subtract it. So negative 15 minus 3 is equal to negative 12. So negative since the greater absolute value is negative. So let's proceed to the example number 5. Copy the 18. Add, then the opposite number of negative 2 is positive. So we have different signs, so we need to subtract it. So negative 8, 18. So let's proceed to the example number 5. So copy the negative 18. Add, then the opposite number of negative 2 is positive 2. Then 1. Then we have different sign, so we need to subtract. So negative 18 minus 2 is equal to negative